A viewer recently asked if I could show you how I like to make eggs at home. So in this video, I'll show you how I make the perfect eggs over easy with furikake rice. It's one of my favorite comfort foods and really easy to make. Check the description box for the full list of ingredients and method. Start out by making your rice. I combine 1 cup of long grain rice with 1 3/4 cup of water in my rice cooker. That's it. No rinsing, no spices, just those 2 ingredients. I have a very simple, small rice cooker. All you do is press the button and it cooks it automatically, switching to warm when it's done. The eggs will take just a couple of minutes, so I let the rice cook completely, then fluff it up. In a small skillet over medium-high heat, I melt a big pat of butter and then pour in 2 eggs. They won't take long to cook, so don't walk away. When they're at about halfway done, you want to take the pan over to the sink and carefully flip them. If you don't feel like trying this, just use a spatula. I know it seems like a lot of butter, but remember, we didn't put anything on the rice. About 20 seconds after you flip them, the eggs are done and you can slide them onto the rice. If you've never had it, furikake is a Japanese seasoning mix that you just eat over rice. This one is a mixture of seaweed, sesame seeds, a little salt, and some other spices. I add a little bit of fresh black pepper and then give it a taste. Between me and Mr. Cat Voice, we buy so many different types of furikake that I can never remember which ones need salt. If you don't want a runny yolk, then just pierce them before you flip the eggs over. This mixture was a little bit bland, so I'm going to go ahead and get some more seasonings. If you like soy sauce, then you'll probably like the smoky, deeper flavor of Maggi sauce. You just need a little bit on top of the eggs and rice. And that's it. This is by far one of my favorite comfort foods, and I hope you give it a try. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you.